Every day you breathe in about 25,000 litres of air, mostly indoors, because that is where you spend most of your life. But exhaust fumes and dirt particles in the outdoor air get into buildings through their ventilation systems, contaminating the air you breathe. Because these particles are so small, you cannot see them or smell them. But they do have a negative impact on your health. The World Health Organization has classified exhaust emissions from diesel engines as carcinogenic. These exhaust fumes in the outdoor air can eventually cause cancer in people that breathe them in. However, people's health is only one of many reasons to demand better air quality. Clean air is at least as important for manufacturing processes and to protect the environment. And for that, you need effective air filters. But exactly what does the air we breathe contain? And what can we do to improve it? You can find the people looking for an answer to that question at the Camfil Tech Center in Trosa, one of the world's largest research centers for clean indoor air and filtration technology. The Camfil Tech Center in Trosa is the hub of a global research and development organization at the forefront of work to analyze indoor air and to test the performance of different filters. The Tech Center opened in 2010. However, as early as in 1967, Camfil had Europe's first test rig for HEPA filters. 7 years later, Camfil also started particle measurement. The new Tech Center has 4 different laboratories, all of which have the latest technological equipment. The Molecular Laboratory develops methods for measuring toxic gases, airborne molecular contaminant or AMC gases. The laboratory has test equipment for molecular filters and carbon testing found nowhere else in the world. Until now, the effect of gases on people has not been studied, even though the sources of these gases are ever increasing in our modern world. Particle Laboratory Number 1 develops comfort air filters and HEPA filters. The laboratory tests the effectiveness of filters for all types of particles, right down to the nano level. Using a particle condenser, nanoparticles in the air are measured with a nanoparticle aerosol. We also undertake research here to find new materials and technologies to filter out airborne contaminants. Particle Laboratory 2 tests filters against various test standards. Our cutting-edge test rigs are approved for testing according to European standard EN 779 and North American standard ASHRAE 52.2. According to the latest standards to be classified, any electrostatic charge must be neutralized on class F7 to F9 filters. Camfil has developed its own measurement methods, and these have attracted so much attention that they've been made into an international industry standard. Particle Laboratory 2 now also calculates and classifies filters on the basis of their energy consumption according to Eurovent 411. Camfil also manufactures filters for industrial processes that are frequently exposed to extreme weather. The Gas Turbine Laboratory has a test rig that can simulate airflows and expose filters to moisture, salt, and severe temperatures. The world's climates are all simulated in this laboratory, from the damp environment of oil platforms to the parched deserts of Africa. Camfil is the leading manufacturer of filters for gas turbines and diesel generators, 2 of the major sources of energy supply in the world. Our indoor air quality laboratory analyzes air quality using a scanning electron microscope and X-ray spectrometer. This analysis indicates the number of particles as well as their size and appearance. Valuable information about how different combinations of particles behave and how a filter will work in the real world. This laboratory also carries out the analysis of materials in our air filters. Thanks to continuous investment in research and development, Camfil has become the leading manufacturer of air filters globally. And we keep up to date through our collaboration with universities and other research organizations. We also have representatives within several international organizations. Camfil is a global company and our products are in use throughout the world. From offices, mines, factories, hospitals, nuclear power stations, to clean rooms for the manufacture of sensitive electronics. Every day we learn more about how to improve our filters and prevent the harmful impact of airborne contaminants. We use advanced programs for LCA analysis to ensure that we meet our objectives for a sustainable environment. For our customers, our expertise means that an investment in air filters is an investment in a better environment and in better potential profitability. Camfil, Clean Air Solutions.